We hold them every day, these glass slabs of light, unaware they are mirrors reflecting a cosmic power. At the atomic scale, you have never truly touched anything. Electrons in your fingertips repel the screen instantly. Your body is an electrical storm. Every swipe is a transfer of intent through a field of energy. In 1969, NASA needed a room of giants for the moon. Today, you hold that power alone. Inside this silence, billions of transistors calculate realities at speeds the human mind was never evolved to comprehend. Look closer. This interface of light is a sanctuary for microscopic life, filthier than a public toilet seat. We fear the void, so we fill it with pixels, searching for meaning in an ocean of data. You are an electric soul interacting with a digital ghost. Welcome to the era of the electric human. We are participants in a grand experiment. Every notification is a digital raindrop falling into your dopamine receptors. These colors are a trick of physics, blending light to convince your brain of a reality that isn't there. At its heart, a battery is a chemical cage for lightning, a fragile equilibrium of energy held captive. Your thumb travels miles across this glass desert, a pilgrimage to nowhere, searching for signals in the silence. When the phone speaks, it vibrates the air with cold precision, a hollow resonance transmitted through fiber nerves. You are never alone. You are woven into an invisible web of frequencies, passing through your very body. The camera eye dissects light into numbers. It captures a moment, kills it, and preserves its digital corpse. We are architects of our own distraction, finding beauty in the tools that make our presence slowly disappear. Beneath the glass lies a labyrinth of gold, forged in the hearts of dying stars billions of years ago. Trillions of binary switches live here, a world of absolute truth existing in our messy and uncertain reality. When you delete a memory, it isn't truly gone. It becomes a ghost waiting in a distant server. Your phone knows gravity better than you. It is a silent witness to every stumble and frantic pace. We are creating our new silence, physically together, but spiritually miles apart, tethered to individual realities of light. We feed these devices electricity like bread. We fear the 0% as if it were our heartbeat. When the screen goes black, the abyss becomes a mirror reflecting our desperate need to be seen. We are dots in the dark, using artificial light to scream, "I am here," into the indifferent universe. We build digital lives on sand and silicon. A single drop, and the illusion of perfection instantly shatters. This device hears the world in ways you cannot, translating messy vibrations into a clean, digital language. Friction is the enemy of thought. As electrons race, they generate a microscopic fever within the metal. We mastered invisible feeding. Energy flows through the air, bridging the gap between plastic and pulse silently. To unlock the world, you must give your identity. You press your history against glass or flesh key. We are obsessed with high definition, editing our existence because the raw truth is no longer enough. In a century, this will be a fossil, a relic of a generation that traded presence for reflection. We cling to these glowing rafts in an ocean of data, hoping we aren't sinking into void alone. We live in the tension of the almost, waiting for signals that travel at the speed of light. Your memories are trapped electrons, frozen in silicon cages, subatomic particles that can never feel your joy. Vibration is the physical breath of a digital ghost, bridging the intangible with the world of touch. We sleep next to our portals, afraid to close the door while our spirits wander through pixels. This is the modern umbilical cord. We fear the dark less than we fear being unplugged from reality. We protect the hardware from water while letting the software erode our very sense of time. Every crack is a window into chaos. These are not extensions of us, but sophisticated glass destined for dust. We are the only species building our own replacements, leaving a trail of silicon fossils behind us. This glass eye captures our vanity, a digital confessional recording our desperate need to be remembered. Every photon captured is a ghost of a moment. We freeze time while reality dissolves into void. Our fingers dance on glass, weaving words that exist nowhere, hoping for a ping of silent connection. We traded libraries for monoliths. Knowledge is now lighter than breath, yet heavier than ever before. Your voice is stripped of its soul and turned into a frequency, a phantom searching for an ear. We leave biological signatures on every surface. The machine knows our touch, yet feels absolutely nothing. To delete is to forget. We curate ourselves, cutting away parts that don't fit our perfect lie. Small electrical beings looking at small screens, trying to understand an infinite universe, a profound, quiet beauty. The machine watches when its eyes are closed, calculating the distance between your skin and its heart. A crystal heart beats millions of times per second, mocking our messy and unpredictable perception of time. We are biological anomalies in a digital landscape, a glitch in a system that values cold efficiency. You are never lost, yet never more aimless. Satellites know your location, but never your purpose. Music is now a stream of numbers. We hope the math eventually adds up to a human feeling. Entropy is the only law the machine cannot escape. It returns to Earth, one silent particle at a time. We stare into the sun of the screen, blinded by the light we use to find our way. The machine doesn't care if you are there, a lonely, brilliant light in an indifferent, silent room. We are stardust trying to remember itself through silicon, a message tossed into the infinite digital ocean. Our thoughts are now background radiation, a global hum that will echo long after we are gone. We build monuments out of data because flesh is fleeting, an attempt to say, I was here. There is power in letting go. True connection happens in the silence between the digital pulses. Even the smartest machine finds peace in the dark. To rest is to return to the void. Look up. The universe doesn't require a login. You are a miracle witnessing a physical one. Sleep now, little ghost. The satellites will keep spinning without the need for your constant scrolling. You are electric, mysterious, and temporary. In this vast universe, that is the most beautiful fact.